Welcome to Biker's Choice, where we delve into the world of exceptional motorcycles. Today we're highlighting the Yamaha FJR 1300, a sport touring bike that combines performance, comfort, and cutting-edge technology, making it a favorite among long-distance riders. Historical overview. Designed to cater to riders seeking both exhilarating performance and long-range comfort, the FJR 1300 has undergone several updates and improvements over the years, solidifying its position as a leader in the sport touring segment. Engine and performance. At the core of the FJR 1300 is a powerful 298 seats inline-four engine. This liquid-cooled engine delivers robust performance, producing impressive torque and horsepower that ensures swift acceleration and effortless highway cruising. The bike features a smooth 6-speed transmission and a sophisticated fuel injection system, providing a responsive and engaging ride. The FJR's performance is further enhanced by its adjustable suspension, allowing riders to tailor the handling to their preferences and riding conditions. Comfort and ergonomics. The FJR 1300 is designed with long-distance comfort in mind. Its ergonomically shaped seat offers ample support, while the upright riding position reduces fatigue during extended rides. The bike comes equipped with an adjustable windscreen which helps to deflect wind and reduce rider fatigue. With a spacious storage compartment and optional side cases, the FJR 1300 provides plenty of room for gear, making it ideal for multi-day trips. Advanced technology. Yamaha has equipped the FJR 1300 with a host of advanced features that enhance the riding experience. Depending on the model year, riders can enjoy features like electronic suspension adjustment, traction control, and ABS braking systems. The bike also offers a sophisticated instrument panel with a digital display, providing essential information at a glance, including navigation and trip data. Legacy and community. The Yamaha FJR 1300 has built a strong community of enthusiasts who appreciate its blend of sportiness and touring capability. The bike has received numerous accolades and awards throughout its production run, further affirming its status as a top choice for sport touring aficionados. Owners often praise its reliability and performance, making it a beloved model in Yamaha's lineup. Conclusion. In summary, the Yamaha FJR 1300 stands out as a remarkable sport touring motorcycle that offers a perfect balance of power, comfort, and technology. Whether you're tackling twisty roads or embarking on long journeys, the FJR 1300 is designed to deliver an exceptional riding experience. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the Yamaha FJR 1300. Be sure to subscribe to Biker's Choice for more motorcycle insights and reviews.